This episode is called Lamarck's Theory.
The idea that currently living species are immutable is probably as old as humankind. A casual observation of the natural world doesn't readily suggest that species evolve. This is because the human lifespan is too short to witness these events directly. Speciation might take centuries. Recognizing a new species during a formative stage can be difficult, because biologists sometimes disagree about how best to define a species. Get it?
Not really?
Don't worry about it. The scientific literature contains a lot of reports on apparent speciation events in things such as plants, insects, and worms. In most of these experiments, researchers subjected organisms to various types of selection, anatomical differences, mating behaviors, habitat preferences, and other traits, and found that it created populations of organisms that did not breed with outsiders. Now Lamarck, another naturalist, proposed a theory based on the principle that physical changes in organisms during their lifetime, such as greater development of an organ or a part through increased use, could be transmitted to their offspring.
And what do biologists think?
Biologists define an acquired characteristic as one that has developed in the course of the life of an individual in their body cells, usually as the direct response to some external change in the environment, or through the use or disuse of a part. The inheritance of such a characteristic means its reappearance in one or more individuals in the next or succeeding generations, but there is no evidence supporting this case. On the contrary, genetic material is transmitted to the next generation through germ cells, and most acquired changes simply do not influence germ cells.